Welcome back to our channel Space Enthusiasts. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the depth of the universe to unravel the birth of the moon. Yes, today we are going to discuss how the moon formed. Today we will explore the captivating story behind the moon's origin and how it came to be Earth's only natural satellite. Our story begins approximately 4.5 billion years ago when the solar system was still in its infancy. At this time, a young Earth was surrounded by a disk of gas and dust called the protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, there are countless small celestial bodies known as planetesimals, which are made up of rock, dust, and ice. Over millions of years, these planetesimals collide and merged, gradually growing in size. One fateful day, a Mars-sized object, often referred to as Theia, encountered Earth. The collision between Earth and Theia was a cataclysmic event, releasing an enormous amount of energy. It caused the ejection of a large amount of debris into space. The ejected debris from the collision started orbiting Earth, forming a disk of molten material around our planet. Over time, the debris in this disk began to cool and collapse, eventually coming together to form our moon. The moon's formation wasn't an instant process. It took millions of years for the debris to form together and stabilize. As the moon formed, it started to exert a gravitational pull on the surrounding debris. This, combined with Earth's gravitational force, shaped the moon into a spherical object. While the giant impact hypothesis is the most widely accepted explanation for the moon's formation, other theories, such as the capture theory, suggest that the moon was initially an independent object that was later captured by Earth's gravity. Scientists continue to explore these hypotheses, conducting research and missions to gather more data and evidence to further our understanding of the moon's origin. The formation of moon remains a captivating field of study filled with ongoing research and discoveries, such as Chandrayaan-3 that has been recently sent to the moon for more expedition. By unraveling the mysteries of its birth, we gain insights into our own planet's history and the dynamic nature of our solar system. Today, the moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's tilt, creating ocean tides, and serving as a source of inspiration and wonder for people all over the world. And that concludes our journey through the formation of the moon. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating celestial event. Remember, the wonders of the universe never cease to amaze us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe Astronaut Ravi. For more videos, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.